So today we're going to be making a rainbow. What you'll need is some construction paper, scissors, a stapler, some tape. So you're going to cut 1/2-inch strips from the construction paper, which gives us these strips here. Then you're going to want to cut nothing from the red. Then you want to cut the orange. Just about this much off, about 1.5 inches. Then you're going to cut 2 inches off the yellow. 2.5 inches off the green, 3 inches from the blue, and 3.5 inches off of the purple. Then you're going to take them and put them in order of the rainbow that you've designed. And you want to staple one end, and then you're going to bring these all up so that these all meet at one point. And you're going to want to staple those. And then you have yourself a rainbow. You can add some cotton or cotton balls to the end. Have a great day, kids.